What's good, Nayo Nation? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the E, to the E, to the O, to the nation. Before we get into this video, I need you guys to do me a little favor. I need you guys to hit that little bell somewhere here so you can be part of the notification squad. And then you just go follow me on my social media at neorapetsoa on all social media platforms. Follow my beautiful sisters at
PALESA
and
Alright,
so as you guys can tell from the title of this video, and as you can see from our moods, ons is happy, ons is op die, ons is bonaramonate, because we are very excited because one, we have not eaten the whole day. Okay, so we're about to have this mukbang and we're about to go in on it, okay? And two, we're gonna be having a damn girl chat, and I'm really excited because it's my first time having both of my sisters on my channel. Okay guys, we're actually cousins, but we spend so much time together and we're literally always together that we call each other sisters, and we grew up together. So yeah, so let me stop blabbing out about without further ado. Let's get into the video. All right guys, so here with our mukbang we have some wangs and fries from Rocco Mama's, and then we have food from McDonald's. On food, like we have gang food from McDonald's, okay? Alright guys, so I'm so sorry how rude of me. I did not introduce them for those of you that do not know and that are new here. This is PALESA. This is the oldest of all three. And then I'm the second oldest. And this is MMATHABO, the baby. The Sanyo. But yeah guys, this is PALESA and this is MMATHABO and I am Noah, okay? And this is my channel. But here we are today to talk about what annoys us about guys. Things guys do that annoy girls. I did the things guys do, things girls do that annoy guys with the juice. You guys should check it out. I'll put the link up here somewhere. But today we're going to be doing things guys do that annoy girls. And I can bet you 1000% that the list is endless. But what is something that you guys can think off the top of your head that is something that guys do commonly that annoys you? They breathe. Whoa! True. I know the first one. They lie unprovoked.
Like, who asked you?
Dude, guys just lie, dude. Sometimes there's no reason for you to lie. Like, sometimes you can tell me the truth, it won't be that bad.
But you lie!
But they just want to lie.
For what?
And you make me look crazy. Hate it. That's another thing that annoys me about guys, is when they make you look like you're being dramatic.
Don't do it.
And then they say, relax.
Relax. It's not that.
Guys, they choose
like
not to communicate. They don't communicate. They choose not to. And they choose not to. Because it's not because you're not. Why? Why? I personally feel like boys know how to communicate.
They just choose not to. Exactly.
And I don't understand why.
It's stupid.
Like, it makes no sense to me.
I really feel like it's not that hard. Like,
it really isn't that
it's
deep.
really simple.
Just tell
like
me
an example. You know what I'm saying? An example. Listen, ne? We all have our independent lives.
Exactly.
So if you're gonna tell me you're busy, I bet, like, be busy.
I understand.
I have a problem. Like, I understand. But don't tell me I'll call you in an hour.
And then 10 hours
1
pass.
hour.
2 weeks pass.
3 hours.
2 years pass.
No, sorry, I'm okay. So you couldn't just say
Text me and be like, I'm busy.
I'm still kind of busy. Let me
Just text me, man.
I'm like, dude,
you look like you're being needy.
it's basic human decency. Just like communicate. It's like if we were sitting together, you wouldn't just get up and leave. You would say that I'm going somewhere.
Exactly.
The same way over text message, you don't just mice for the whole day. You say, I need to be busy. Also, this thing in 2019, guys, going into a new decade of still thinking girls do makeup and do all these things for you.
It's not for you. It's for me when I walk by the shop. You see those glass mirrors outside the shop, so I can see myself look at myself.
They need to look at me.
You understand what I'm saying?
The mirrors
The mirror must look at me.
My mother must see that she raised a wholesome.
Not even raised, she produced.
You understand what I'm saying?
You guys, I like you better with your natural hair.
Nobody cares. Nobody asked you. No one wants to know, John. John, no one wants to know.
Journey?
Steven,
Please,
Ma'am.
Tabo.
Sir.
Tabo, relax.
Nobody
Tembiso.
cares.
Relax.
Nobody cares. Why do you think that I'm looking pretty to impress?
I look pretty for myself, so that the mirrors can look at me.
Let me tell you, one thing that annoys me about guys, comfort.
Yeah.
Gents,
Get comfortable.
They stop putting in effort.
No, never comfortable. Like,
Yo.
why on a couch?
You put yourself in.
And you put like
you interfoff yourself into it. I don't even understand.
Get up the audacity to better F4.
Dude.
Yeah. Into a whole, and the problem is that you think now because I'm your girlfriend I'm any less hot, babes. The same way you found me attractive the first time.
That's exactly how I am.
Surely, it's somebody else that finds me attractive.
One thing you must understand, when you're with someone, being comfortable is your worst enemy.
It's your worst enemy, especially with a girl, dude. Because
Exactly.
the moment you're comfortable, she's gonna start looking somewhere else, or she's gonna start complaining, or there's just gonna be a problem. Do you understand?
She's slacking.
Exactly.
At that point, you're slacking.
Exactly. Why you gotta slack, bruh? There's some things that there's literally no need to slack on. Do you understand? Like, I don't expect you to buy me. I don't expect you to buy me flowers every week and stuff like that. But if you introduce me to things such as good morning texts, good night texts,
Maintain.
Now if I use 2 flowers on Sunday, breakfast in bed on Saturday, you must keep the consistency. You want consistency, be consistent.
It's maintain and elevate.
Exactly.
It can't be if you start slacking. There really needs to be a real good reason
Why you're slacking?
Like, you can't just be slacking
Because
unprovoked
you're
on some. Nah, she's my girl, so tight. Like,
It's not
it's cool. Like,
it's not fine.
I'm secure because she's mine. Listen, babes. When
Thank
you're
you.
thinking that, well,
a person is not a person, it's a person for the
God.
Thank you.
Okay.
There we go. And you know the thing is, like, if it's your girl, dude, she's surely gonna be understanding the fact that you don't have money anymore. Do you understand? I'm not expecting you to buy me flowers if you don't have money. So communicate, tell me. But there's small things that don't need money. Like you coming and just randomly coming to see me. You know? You randomly just telling me I'm beautiful. You small things. Maintain them. Keep that standard. I don't understand why you feel the need to be comfortable. I don't know who told you that being comfortable is nice.
It's not nice. It's your enemy.
because I will tell you now, if you are comfy, also her eyes are comfortable.
Yeah.
Do you like this? And this is not to say that now when our men are slacking, now we all of a sudden start looking around. No. It's just that when you stop appreciating what you have, it's guys, somebody else is gonna, another man's trash is another man's treasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Also this thing, man, if you get cheated on, a mere understated minor cheating.
And you lost.
And you want to all of a sudden make yourself Casanova. Relax. Easy. Easy on the cocaine. Easy. I don't understand, man. You're not weak. You're weak.
Weak.
Also this thing of claiming girls as your girl.
Stop it.
Saying, can you be
My girl.
my girl?
Relax.
Friend? For as long as
You didn't tell me anything.
I didn't hear those words.
Well, not like this. Well, like this. I'm living my life, you live your life. Let's
Please
be
don't
okay.
claim me publicly.
That conversation was never had. That look, you and I are now exclusive. Yeah? No. Give my girl, she loves me because you think you're mindless behavior, yeah? No.
You're mindless with your behavior.
But understand, for as long as it's not exclusive, you don't have any entitlement.
Exactly.
She's not obliged.
You can't get mad.
to do anything
For you.
that entails a girlfriend description.
Thank
So
you.
if babes decides, okay, today's clay is comfortable, my girl, this is in the afternoon. If at night she's busy twerking it up in the club, she's having a nice time and niggas is buying her drinks, listen.
You can't get
Can't
mad.
get mad.
Exactly.
I'm not your girlfriend. That's another thing. I feel like people need to understand that difference between dating and being in a relationship.
Thank you. You said
If we are dating, the floor is open. It's a buffet.
Thank you.
If
You eat what you want until you are full.
If I don't feel like these wings no more, I can go fetch a burger.
Thank you.
I can have them both.
I can have fries.
I can have fries.
I can just have all of them.
Sprite. I can have a Coke.
But if I committed myself to a certain diet,
But you see, if I'm in a
different.
relationship, if
That's
I'm
a
thinking
diet.
I'm thinking
that's a diet.
That's a diet.
I have to eat specific.
That's better life.
How do you guys feel about your man's having a girl best friend?
Let me tell you. It depends on what the relationship looks like. There's some of them it just looks dodgy. Now, there's certain things that you can't do as a girl best friend. There's certain things like you have a role when I play it.
True.
Stay in your lane.
Even if that was the type of relationship that you guys had prior to
Relationship.
Respect
being in a relationship.
Respect me.
The moment I step in as a girlfriend, you need to understand now there's boundaries.
Exactly.
We need to respect each other's territory.
Exactly.
So sure, you guys are used to lying in each other's laps, Netflixing and chill. That's cute. That's nice. Then it's my time now.
It doesn't go back this day.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Like when you feel it.
So,
So
we can chill, yeah?
Shy.
We can chill, it can be the three of us. You guys can, not like that. Like,
not like that.
it's two couches.
Exactly.
But understand, like, there's boundaries, there's certain lines you can't cross, because if you start crossing lines because it's something that you're used to and it now infringes on my relationship, then you just don't respect my relationship.
But also,
and you don't respect the relation, like you don't, even from your friend's part, like you don't respect his relationship. Like you don't see him, you don't see her, you don't recognize their relationship, hence you're gonna keep doing what you're doing, and it's not cute. Like,
don't you think, I honestly think like the primary role player is your boyfriend. I personally feel like every single time, I've always had this conversation with people. If a girl comes up to my man and hugs her comfortably, I'm gonna be pissed at the girl, but I'm gonna deal with you.
Exactly.
Because no random stranger is gonna just walk up to a random stranger and want to jump on him and hug him and be all kissy kissy. Clearly there's an impression that you gave her for her to think that she is in a position that she can do that. And that's my chat with every single time a girl disrespects another girl.
And then you ask him and he's like, nah, but babe, I'm just being nice. Sir.
Also, let me go be nice and hop on another nigga.
Thank you.
I wanna be nice, also me and
I'm also gonna be nice.
it's not gonna be nice then.
Exactly.
Huh, Sipo?
And also this thing,
Steven, Henry,
John,
Versi, listen.
Miss.
Dude, you must think about tomorrow.
They'll take you out, there will be nice times, you're thinking you're the main chick.
Yo! That time. Ula, you're here. No, listen.
Or you could really
Listen,
be the main
you're
chick
here.
and the side chick is comfortable.
You're here.
You're like this.
Yo!
Nobody's a mountain. You can
be moved.
Yeah? That goes for guys and girls. Don't get too comfortable.
The minute you get comfortable, also movie shasana lam. Hey, get out of your machangan back your wife. So like I'm
No. All the way.
I'll fly Emirates again. We are nyandula the way.
Also, this thing of only respecting girls you find attractive.
Yeah.
Easy.
So
Easy.
Don't do it.
Okay. Because
You must be nice to everyone. You have to be nice to everyone.
But also sometimes we're nice because we don't want to get killed.
That's true.
And we don't want to get
That's right.
we don't want to get
That's right.
hurt. So we
Find
just
yourself greeting everybody in this street.
because now you're scared that if you don't greet, he's gonna come up to you and be like, I will.
It's not come up to you. Hello, nice.
You what do you?
Don't worry.
Yeah.
You say
Hello, nice.
Men think
There's
the whole
people
world
that
revolves around them.
And it really does. The drama relax.
everything you do is because of them. You're crying, it's a man. You're laughing,
It's a man.
You're sitting,
It's a man.
You're in disbelief.
It's a man.
You're
You're
dying.
eating.
It's a man. Kiahua. It's a man.
Yapinya. It's a man.
I resurrect.
It's a man.
Nicolations 4-6.
When a nigga buys, a nigga will nigga rise.
Right, guys, that was a very beautiful conversation about multiple things. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that episode of Girl Talk. Okay, please tell us what you guys thought about that video. Comment your comments down below about the topics that we had. Okay, everything that we said was personally from our personal perspectives. Okay, it was all an opinion. Nothing is factual.
Not
okay?
facts.
Nothing.
We're not edging anyone.
Nothing is meant to disrespect anybody. This is just our feelings based off our perspective on life, okay? But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like that video, okay? Comment below for any more videos you'd like to see. And last but not the least, subscribe to my channel for more craziness. Bye, guys.